Right, if you're looking for a vehicle to buy through the business, there isn't a better one to do that than the Land Rover Defender commercials. We've just bought this. It's a really unique car for us in a great colour, Yuong White, the only one we've ever sold as a commercial in this colour. It suits the car down to the ground, but on a 72 plate with 18,000 miles, this is a magnificent value commercial. It's VAT qualifying, it's plus VAT, and it's 49,990 plus the VAT. What you're getting for that is the 110, lots of space. This one's got air suspension. It's got a key look to it because it's got the arch extensions, the side air intake, the black roof, the steps, the mud flaps, the 20-inch wheels, the running lights, the black badges. It looks really, really good. It's also got full Land Rover service history, and the condition is absolutely stunning. But for me, it's the colour because, you know, it's not a boring white. If you come in close and see, it is a metallic white, and it almost looks like a very light grey colour. I love the car. I think it's just such a great vehicle for someone looking for, you might not have been considering a Defender as a business vehicle, but they are really the best. It's a 3-litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower. And with those arch extensions, it's very rugged and durable. You know, it's in a stunning order. 20-inch 5-arm wheels. The steps from Land Rover now, by the way, these are steps from the dealer, are an absolute fortune. I think they're about £1,500 plus the VAT. And we've even got keyless entry inside. Great place to sit the Defender. 360 camera, air suspension, heated front seats, digital climate control. Go through all the interior options shortly. But for me, it is the price of this Defender commercial. You'll see us advertising lots of new registered ones of these for big money, really. This is a great value. Into the back, obviously lots of space in this. Lockable space under the boot floor, access boxes left and right. And then to the rear. Roof rails as an option, black roof, black spare wheel cover, and mud flaps, I've mentioned those. Again, lots of lockable space. The boot floor lifts up like so. It's also rubberized, so if you're putting things in there, you know, it's not scratchable. Air suspension switches here if you want to, like so, lower the vehicle down or raise it up from the back. You can do that very, very straightforwardly. And the Defender. For me, this particular vehicle doesn't even really look like a van or a commercial with the way it looks. So we've got the air intake to the side, or the snorkel, with a gloss black top, the arch extensions and the wheels, and just the overall styling of this particular one is very nice. Now, full Land Rover service history, it will come fully prepared, but it was registered towards the end of December 2022, which means you've got warranty with the dealer until the end of December 2025 this year, which gives you a big amount of warranty. Great buying thing that is. And then inside, so multi-function steering wheel with cruise and lane assist, switchable driver cockpit, touchscreen infotainment with wireless smartphone integration. It's even got smoking package. It hasn't been smoked in, but it's something you rarely see in that Defender, isn't it? That's a little option that we never really see. Reversing camera, top view camera, 3D surround view camera. Heated front seat. If we twist that, you can see the seat selection. Push it again, we can get into the climate control. Digitalised air suspension switchable here. Heated front and rear screens, USB and USB inputs. 2 keys, tracker and Ghost Immobiliser for your insurance purposes. It's a big request now for us to get a tracker fitted to a vehicle for insurance. This one's got it. It's also got the Ghost. And really, if I'm being honest, it is in an unbelievable condition. This 49,990 plus the VAT. It's on the website now. Get it bought. Thanks for watching.